How you going, guys? You know who it is. Welcome back. It's been a while between flights. Crappy weather here in Australia at the moment. Thought I'd break out something I haven't flown for a long time. I've had this little GEPRC Skip HD thingamajiggy forever. Actually got me into flying FPV to start with. Yeah, old school XM Plus. Crashed this thing more times than I care to remember. I have actually rebuilt it probably 3 times, but it is such a cool little unit. Really nippy, fun to fly. Range, yeah, so-so, but just to have a scoot around, this is definitely loads and loads of fun. What I do really like about this as well, it has on board HD VTX recording, which you guys are going to see very shortly on the screen when I have a fly around. Not too sure about going over near the water. 450 milliamp 3S, not a terribly new battery, so I don't think it's going to last too long. Let's program the Radio Master into XM Plus, where it hasn't been for some time, and let's have a fly around here. Should be interesting, and pretty much anything could happen. Alright, okay, let's go in the sky. By memory, you power it on and it should automatically start recording, which is the red flashing light there. Fingers crossed, hopefully I can remember that correctly. Okay, alright, so the screen's showing on the top right there, you can see the recording. That's actually of the quad. Not too sure what's happening with the picture there. Oh, we are armed. Let's see how this thing goes. Oh, VTX is a bit sketchy, but it'll improve. Travel a little bit of distance away. Yeah, the wind is blowing me down pretty well. I don't expect this battery to last very long, guys, so I do apologise straight off the bat. And, well, okay, haven't played this for some time. Get a quick flyby going. We'll try and conserve power. I do want to get a little bit of HD footage for you guys to look at, see how good this camera is. Really not that game. Fly over the water. I don't want to lose this after having for probably around 10 years now. I've had this quad for. Hell of a lot of fun. 10.9 volts, wind blowing me over a bit. A little bit windy down here, not too bad. A little bit windy nonetheless. And car down there. This is great for the flies. Brings back so many memories. XM Plus, so our range isn't all that good, so I'm certainly not going to be pushing the range too much. We just want to have a nice smooth fly around. The speed pass 10.7, our power supply is finishing quick. Yeah, we're just about done. Let's save something. Have a bit of power for some line of sight, and we'll call it a day with that one. Not a great deal of time in the sky. Okay. Oh, there she is. Didn't crash at that time. XM Plus, hell of a lot of fun. Before you ask, I'm pretty sure you can't actually buy this anymore. It's a pity. Be interested to see how that HD footage turns out. Like I said, this got me into flying FPV and getting into quads in general, so thank you GEPRC, much appreciated. Nice catch. Comments, guys, do you remember this? Have you got one? XM Plus, old school, but certainly still a lot of fun. See you next time, much appreciated. Looks like the weather might be changing here, so hopefully I'll be able to get up in the sky and get some more projects running ASAP. See you guys again real soon. Sky Pilot. Catch you later.